Cohen.
And today we're going to teach y'all an awesome science experiment. For this experiment, you will need washable markers,
Paper towels, and a bucket that you can fill water in.
but if you're doing this by yourself, you'll only need one paper towel. And first thing you need to do is you're going to fold 1 or 2 paper towels in half, just like this.
Like that. Subscribe to me.
Next, you're going to fill this big tub with water after you have both of these paper towels folded. Next, you're going to draw a colorful drawing on this circle, the end and the inside. Tub of water. No, make sure to face it. Make sure to face it like this, though.
This way?
Yeah. Where's the?
Whoa.
What happened? Cohen, put yours in there.
Look.
Wait. Just put it on top. Wow, you see that? What happened?
It's so weird. It looks so. That looks so like you. I'm kidding. Look. Look at this. I want to keep it.
Here, show it to the camera. Henry, show yours to the camera.
I'll just say mine. That's mine. I squeezed it.
Here, wipe your hands off the paper towel.
Hey, y'all.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you're wondering who Cohen is, he has his own YouTube channel that I'm going to link down in the description below. Make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe to him.